तिथूनच येते. बघा पबजी
त्या तू
पबजी
जरा गपरा येणे का तू जरा
नाही सांगू तुला दाखवते ना व्हिडिओ कशा तू यायला का तू यायला
घर काय घेतलं ते
हात नाही लावायचा त्याला तो होता हात नाही लागून हात नाही लावला
तू पण नको लावू मी पण नाही लावू. इंटरनॅशनल स्कूलचा विद्यार्थी आहे. किती हुशार असेल ना. इंटरनॅशनल विचारतील बघ आधी कुठच्या शाळेत होता. पोद्दार इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल. फक्त शायनिंग मारली म्हणा. अरे काय अडकलं इथं काय झालंय बोटातलं हरवलंय का त्यातलं. हा मी बघते काय झालंय. घाबरला रे ते आपला धक्का लागला ना. हा इकडं उडालच फिर्या फार बाळा हे चकडं नीचं बघून काय आम्हाला नाही काय कळत तू काय करतोय ते.
नको डिस्टर्ब करू
हो का मग मोठ्याने वाचा ना डिस्टर्ब होत.
ठीक आहे
हा
to make some space. The puller of the acting on an object is called a force. A force enables the person to perform work. Venom, how does the anti-venom injection save a life? Discuss here, fighting the class.
अरे वाच ना मोठ्याने
Raula.
हा नाही
A
नाही
puller who's acting on an object is called a force. Force enables the person to perform work.
समजून घे नीट वाच तुझ्या पाठी काय घोडा का गाडव नाही लागलंय कळलं का.
हो.
हां
Force cannot be seen, but the effects produced by the force are visible. Some effects produced by force are a force can put stationary object in motion.
जर बोट ठेवत जा ना.
To movement, stationary object has to be applied by pulling or pushing, and that object you must have noticed it is possible to move an empty trolley in supermarket easily, but it is filled with food items. it becomes difficult to move. Hence, more force need more heavier objects. Push to push heavier objects. Force can slow down an object or stop its motion. On force help a moving object move faster. A force can make a moving object faster in the force is applied in the direction which is object is moving. Force is applied. The accelerator which is inserted help increasing the large speed of the vehicle. If bowler wants to throw a ball faster, apply the large amount of force of the ball.
काय
नाही.
बॉल गेला काय त्याच्यात बघू.
अरे गप ना.
बॉल आहे का काय बघते ना. अभ्यास करायचा सोडून त्याच्यात तुझं लक्ष आहे. असा झापडं विंगाडी ना.
Indirectly help us increasing the speed of a vehicle. If a bowler wants to throw a ball faster, it applies a large amount of force on the ball. The force can change the direction of the moving object. The direction of a force any object can be changed by applying a force. For example, a large game of baseball. The game of baseball, the hitting the ball comes forward himself to change the direction of a ball. Force can change the object. Force enables us to the shape and to the bottom makes a pot applies the order hands in shape exchanges various types of force. The different types of force around muscular force is exerted by a muscular force then in the stretches pushed in by our muscles. For example, to perform such action by lifting a bucket or kicking a football, our muscles apply force. Force applied through use of the animals such as bullock, horses, elephants and camel is also muscular force. The force exerted by the earth to pull and push an object towards itself called gravitational force and gravity. This force binds everyone to the earth's surface. Whenever you throw an object in upward direction, it will always come down. The sun also exerted gravitational force on planet. This gravitational force keeps the planet moving around the sun and orbiting the moon around the earth. Have you ever used magnet, compass or navigation? The needle of the magnet compass always points towards the north, thus helping us in navigating. Thus, the force of attraction exerted by a magnet or other magnet of magnetic materials is called magnetic force. Magnets have this special property which they can move certain materials. A magnet generally has two poles, a north pole and a south pole. If you trend a place the like poles of the two magnets besides the south pole, if you turn the place and the poles two magnets besides each other, they will repel, and thus unlike poles placed next to each will attract. Use magnet force waste iron objects in garbage dumps in separated using magnets. These iron objects they recycle. The cranes also use a magnetic force to lift heavy loads. they have you all read caution warning. Simply wet when wet. There is a danger slipping wheel, walking on a wet or smooth polished surfaces. There is less friction. Frictional force help us in slowing down the motion of the moving object, prevents the object from moving. This force appears when the two objects come in contact with each other. Friction force always act the opposite direction to the motion of the object. You must have observed the ball rolling on the surface on the ball. Also, you must have observed
चालू आहे
जरा थांब ना.
नाही, चालू
मला
आहे.
काहीतरी एक काम करायचं.
काय
थांब.
करायचंय ते काय कर, चालू आहे काम.
हा.
आता तुझी प्रगती होत चालली आहे. आता तू काय काय नवीन नवीन शोध लावतोय. आता ती पुस्तकं नको तिला म्हणून एखादा टेपच घेऊन ये आणि एखाद्या रीलच्या क्लासला पाठव, मग काहीतरी प्रगती होईल.